perfect for families. It's an easy to use device, and it's also the first ever dental device that you can use from home. You can make diagnosis for all of your teeth just within few clicks. So when you first sign into our application, in the main page you will have many features. First one is to start a video to monitor your teeth. You can take a whole video for all of your teeth. And the second one is, after taking the video, you can check your results, and by our artificial intelligence software in the application, it will check the whole result for you. And then our third feature is if you want to seek professional consultation and send this video to your dentist. And the fourth feature is to book an appointment after checking your results and after making your professional consultation. To use the device, simply move it around inside your mouse, and the device will take the images within the video within few seconds. And then it will make like comprehensive analysis for your teeth with our artificial intelligence software. After finishing scanning your teeth, then the video is ready, and the Hammtek app will allows you to send this video to our servers for comprehensive analysis. Now the video is uploaded on our service and is being analyzed. All what you have to do now is to rest and be assured that all of your data is just secured and only used for analyzing your teeth. As soon as your video is uploaded on our service, our artificial intelligence software will work on it, and it will analyze all abnormalities, and then it will let you know if there is anything, and you will be prepared for any early detections of any abnormalities, and then you can move forward to see your results and to choose whether to have professional consultations or to just send the video to your dentist. And finally, thank you so much for joining me in this tour about the Hammtek app. And remember, regular monitoring for your teeth, it's very important, and everybody has like different oral flora. You have to be consisting on making these diagnoses, and you have to be on regular checkups with the device. And with the device, it's very easy to use at home, so it's user friendly and it's at your home. You don't have to check your schedule all the time, and you don't have to be available all the time. And even if you have like uncooperative kids, you have to ensure regular follow-ups with the device. And thank you for joining me again, and enjoy the device.